What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing eggplant today, and you already know it's gonna be tasty. I'm not quite sure what to call it, but anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing first, we're gonna slice our eggplant down long ways. Oh, let me get this top off here right quick. But yeah, we're gonna slice this eggplant down the long ways, about a 1/4 inch thick. After we get it all sliced up, gonna get it onto our rack. Now I line this rack with some paper towels at the bottom, so it catch that excess water that the eggplant gonna release. So you know what we gotta do next. We gotta rain on it. That's how we gonna make it. Let that water release. And of course, you know we salted both sides. But see how that water came out? Now that's after waiting about 30 minutes. And look at all that water that then came out the eggplant. So first thing we want to do is, just simply lift them up and let that water off. Let it fall right onto that paper towel. And we're going to do that on all of them first. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and dry them up some more with our paper towel. And now, we're going to go ahead and hit them with a little bit of olive oil with my Spritzes Spritz. Then we're just going to spread that around. And of course, once again, you know we got to do both sides. So next, let's go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little oregano. Some pepper. And then we're going to get them on our grill top. Now once we get them on that grill, of course we got it rain on. Hit them with a little bit more salt on that second side. Some pepper. And a little Cajun seasoning. And these should be on this side about 2-3 minutes. Then we're gonna give them a little flippy flip. Oh yeah, I like the color on that one. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's good color right there. And of course, we're gonna let this side cook for about another 2-3 minutes. And then we're gonna flip it one more time. Yeah, y'all, you know I'm an eggplant lover. I don't know about everybody out there, but I can eat me some eggplant anytime. Anytime, y'all. There's so many different ways you can cook it and make it so tasty. But anyway, after we get our eggplant flipped over that second time, now it's time to add some cheese. Now I'm using mozzarella cheese here, and I really would recommend that you use mozzarella cheese, y'all. Now you can use the shredded if you want, but I'm using the slice here today. Now we're gonna let that mozzarella cheese melt down just a little bit, and then we're gonna start adding our tomatoes on top. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. And of course, you know we had to rain on them one more time. We gotta hit them with a little bit of that salt. Just to spice up that tomato a bit. A little bit of pepper. And then a dab of oregano. So let's plate up. So that cheese already melted. That tomato ready to go. And I'm ready to eat. And look at that. Don't that look good, y'all? Oh my goodness. That looks tasty. Now to mine, I'm gonna add me a little bit of my sweet bell pepper sauce. And some of my tomatillo sauce. Just for that little extra flavor kick. So let's go ahead and give this a taste right quick, y'all. Cause I can't wait no longer. I can't wait no longer. Oh yeah, let me get a little bite of that skin too. I like that eggplant skin. I know everybody don't, but I do. Oh my goodness, y'all. As you can tell, I enjoyed this, y'all. I really did. This didn't last no time. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.